Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up DocuSign. First, navigate to the DocuSign website to start your account creation process. You'll need to choose a plan that best suits your requirements, whether it's a free trial to explore features or a paid subscription for full access. After selecting your plan, remember to verify your email address. This crucial step activates your new account, allowing you to begin using DocuSign's powerful features immediately. Once your account is ready, the next step is to upload your document. DocuSign supports common formats like PDF and Microsoft Word files. After uploading, you'll use the intuitive interface to prepare it for signing. Simply drag and drop fields for signatures, initials, and dates onto the document. You can also add text boxes for specific information such as names or titles, ensuring every detail is captured accurately. With your document prepared, it's time to send it out for signatures. You'll input the email addresses of all your recipients, specifying the order in which they need to sign. Take a moment to customize the email subject and message. A clear, personalized note can significantly improve response rates. Additionally, you can set helpful reminders and expiration dates, ensuring your documents are completed efficiently and on schedule. After your documents are sent, DocuSign provides robust tools for management. You can easily monitor the real-time status of every document, seeing who has viewed, signed, or still needs to act. Once completed, you can download the signed documents, which include a comprehensive audit trail detailing every action taken. All your agreements are securely stored within your DocuSign account, providing easy access whenever you need them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.